Yesterday, a car crashed into the school and a massacre Nussbaum. And now we have an interview from Fabian. He saw the crash.
Do you know why the car crashed?
The driver eat some food.
Last week, something really special was invented. The first flying car. Now we will hear from a man who saw the flying car and was amazing.
What did you think to the flying car?
The flying car is super. It's the best invention all of time.
And now here is the weather news with Marcel and Leah. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi guys, this is the weather for this week. On Thursday it's going to hail and between 4 and 5 degrees. On Friday it's very cold and Tessen -7 degrees. On Saturday snow and between 0 and -2 degrees. On Sunday it will rain and between 5 to 3 degrees. The next weather presentation is on Monday next week. And goodbye and have fun with the next presentation.